Cheap rent offer hides expensive problems. If the rent looks too cheap for the area, it is not kindness. It is not luck. It is usually compensation. Compensation for something you don't know yet. Welcome to our series, Real Estate Rules by Nandan. In this series, I share real estate lessons people usually learn only after making mistakes. No hype, no shortcuts, just clear thinking for better decisions. Most people, especially first-time tenants, see only the number. They don't see the story behind the number. Today, I want to explain why cheap rent often hides expensive problems and why smart people don't rush into it. Reframe the thinking. I've seen this repeatedly. People don't lose money in real estate because they paid more. They lose money because they saved in the wrong place. When you see a cheap rent offer, your brain relaxes. You think, okay, rent is under control. But rent is only one line item in your life. What really matters is total cost of living. And cheap rent quietly increases that cost. Hidden cost number 1: maintenance. Let's talk about the first hidden cost. Maintenance problems. Cheap rental houses usually have old plumbing, weak wiring, temporary fixes. You won't see it on day one. You'll see it after moving in. The third power cut. The second water leakage. The first short circuit. That's when reality starts. You call the owner. They say, please adjust. And suddenly your cheap rent is being paid not with money, but with your time, your stress, your energy. Remember this. Maintenance problems don't show up before the agreement. They show up after you sign. Hidden cost number 2: location. Second problem. Bad location disguised as affordability. A house is not cheap because it's small. It's cheap because daily life is expensive there. Longer commute, more fuel, more cab expenses, poor lighting at night, less safety, no hospitals nearby, no daily stores. What you save once in rent, you pay every single day in inconvenience. That is not saving. That is slow leakage. Hidden cost number 3: owner mindset. Now listen carefully. A landlord offering unrealistically low rent usually has one of two mindsets. Either they don't want to invest in the property, or they don't want long-term tenants. Both are dangerous. Such owners avoid repairs, delay fixes, and emotionally detach from responsibility. When problems come, you are on your own. A landlord who underprices the house often undervalues responsibility. The silent compromise trap. Cheap rent creates a silent trap. It makes people compromise quietly. You tolerate noise. You tolerate water problems. You tolerate parking fights. You tolerate privacy loss. Because in your mind you keep saying, rent is cheap, right? Over time this becomes a habit of settling. Real estate decisions shape your lifestyle. They should support growth, not teach you how to tolerate discomfort. What is good rent? Let me say this clearly. Good rent does not mean cheap rent. Good rent means fair rent. Fair for the area, fair for the condition, fair for your stage of life. Many people ask me, should we never take cheap rent? No, cheap rent is not bad. Blind cheap rent is bad. You should take cheap rent only when you know exactly why it is cheap, and you are okay with that reason. Short-term stay, temporary phase, intentional cost cutting. The danger is not cheap rent. The danger is ignorance. Stability, the hidden value another cost people ignore. Frequent shifting. Cheap houses rarely give stability. 1 year later you move again. Brokerage again. Mental reset again. Packing again. Stability has value. Peace has value. People underestimate that. Remember this. A house is not an expense. A bad house is an expense. Real estate rule number 1 in real estate: price is never random. If something is priced low, the market already knows why. Your job is not to feel lucky. Your job is to investigate. Before taking cheap rent, ask these questions. Why is it vacant? Why did the last tenant leave? How old are the fittings? Who pays for repairs? How is water, power, drainage? If answers are unclear, the problem will become very clear later. Final rule plus close, I'll say this slowly. People who live well don't chase discounts in real estate. They chase predictability. Predictable water, predictable electricity, predictable neighbors, predictable owner behavior. Cheap rent rarely offers predictability. So here is real estate rule number 1. If rent is unusually cheap, assume there is a cost you haven't seen yet. Investigate, then decide. This series is not about fear. It's about awareness. Because one wrong rental decision can steal years of mental peace. And no discount is worth that. This is Real Estate Rules by Nandan. See you in the next one. If this video brought clarity, save it, share it, subscribe to my channel Build with Nandan. We build smarter here.